ang hindi kilalang Pinoy na boksingero na lahat ng kalaban ay pinabagsak sa pamamagitan ng KO. Sobrang lakas ng boksingerong ito, tinalo pa si Pacquiao at kwadro alas Janrail Casimero.
สายเต็มหน้าร่วงสิครับอย่างนี้นะครับเรียบร้อยครับ
Isang di kilalang Pinoy na boksingero ng Magdalena Sorsogon ang gumagawa ng ingay at pangalan ngayon sa bansang Thailand. Mula taong 2022 ay hindi pa ito natalo. Knockout lahat ng Thai na kanyang nakalaban at hindi man lang umabot hanggang round 5 ang mga Thailander na kalaban. Mas matindi pa kay Naoya Inoue kung gumamit ng body shot ang boksingerong Pinoy na ito.
ปัดแหวกการเรียบร้อยครับจบแค่ยกแรกครับการบนเดินขาว
Okay, so and again right hook to the body and referee.
Napakalakas ng boksingerong ito dahil 8 sunod-sunod na Thai ang kanyang tinalo sa pamamagitan ng KO. Kaya sa kanyang sobrang husay ay palakpakan talaga ang napakaraming mga tao. Si Ador Preles Torres o mas kilala bilang Ador Torres ay ang tinaguriang Terminator ng Philippine Boxing. Nagmula siya sa bayan ng Magdalena, lalawigan ng Sorsogon. Katulad ng ibang boksingero, nagmula rin sa hirap ang ating pambato. Pagsasaka ang tanging ikinabubuhay nila ng kanyang pamilya. Kaya maagang nabatak ang katawan ng ating bida. At boxing kaibigan ang nakita niyang paraan upang maiyahon ang pamilya sa kahirapan. Hindi naman siya nabigo dahil kinuha agad siya ng Highland Boxing Promotion para sa Thailand lumaban. Dito na siya nagsanay ng gusto sa pakikipaglaban at dinaglaon ay naging kampiyon siya ng Asia Boxing Federation Welterweight Division. Araw ng Miyerkules, October 26 taong 2022, nagsimula ang pananalasa ni Ador Torres sa bansang Thailand sa Space Plus Arena, Bangkok, Thailand. Haharapin niya rito si Santampob Sobrangkor aka Warampot Jisadajin Jawat, ang isa sa rising star na pambato ng Thailand. Pero ang kanilang ipinagmamalaking pambato nilang ito ay round number 4 lang ang itatagal sa ating boksingero. Dito sa round number 1, unti-unti nang tinatansya ni Kabayan ang galaw ng kanyang kalaban. Wala na itong magawa sa kilos ng ating kababayan.
ซ้ายเข้าหลังครบโอ้โหทิ้งมาซ้ายซ้ายกับขวาครับกับขวาครับซ้ายโอ้โหตัดลำตัวครับหมัดขวาจากตรงนั้นโอ้โหเจอซ้ายครับหมดยกแรก
Round number 2, matindi rin bumayo ang Thai na boksingero pero mas nakalamang na dito ang ating pambato.
เลยยก 2 มาโอ้โหไม่ทราบว่าไปขึ้นมาจากไหนยกหน้าแล้วครับก็เลยทนได้เลยครับสถานพบหนีครับหมัดซ้ายนะครับโอ้โหอัปเปอร์คัตโอ้โหบวกหมัดสวยครับแม่ถึงกับชะงักนะครับทางด้านของสถานพบครับหมดยก
Round number 3, kabisado na ni Kabayan ang galaw ng kanyang kalaban. Lagi na itong napapaatras sa bawat kamao na kanyang binibitawan.
นะครับสถานพบแม่ตอนนี้ครับเหมือนกับเสือเห็นเหยื่อนะครับกระโจนเข้าใส่เลยครับอดอทอเรสต้องถอยนะครับพลังงานของอดอทอเรสซึ่งต้องระวังนะครับระวังกับปั้นสวยดีแค่นี้เหรออดอทอโอ้โหขวาหน้าครับทางด้านของสถานพบเจออัปเปอร์คัตไม่มีอาการนะครับสถานพบโอ้โหเจอหมัดซ้ายเลยครับซ้ายลำตัวโอ้โหอัปเปอร์คัตขวาครับแม่แทบจะร่วงครับลูกนี้ต้องหมุนออกมาก่อนครับต้องถามใจอดอทอเรสแล้วครับตอนนี้ถามใจเขาแล้วครับว่าจะเอาถึงน็อกไหมต่อยซ้ายเข้าหน้าด้านของสถานพบครับ
Dito sa round number 4, malalakas na patama sa bodega at mga uppercut na powerful ang pinakawala ni Kabayan. Ang brutal na tumapos sa Thai na kalaban.
สายเต็มหน้าร่วงสิครับอย่างนี้กรรมการ
Makalipas lang ang isang buwan ay muling lumaban ang ating pambato. Araw ng Miyerkules, November 30, taong 2022 sa Space Plus Arena, Bangkok, Thailand. Haharapin naman niya rito si Pirin Sukmuang, ang isa sa mga halimaw na Thai na boksingero. Pero round 1 lang ang itatagal nito sa ating pambato.
Adolfo Torresนะครับเป็นนักมวยจากประเทศฟิลิปปินส์นะครับเป็นมวยซ้ายนะครับเป็นการชกชนะ5แพ้4เสมอ1เป็นการชนะน็อกเอาท์2ครั้งนะครับมาแบบหนักๆครับนำให้ทางด้านของแดงตื่นนะครับปัดขวากระแทกครับร่วงเลยครับย้อนครับนี่นะครับเป็นการนับไป18แล้วค่อยๆลุกขึ้นมาไม่ต้องรีบร้อนครับเวลาฝึกให้ดีครับจะแก้เกมยังไงเอาท่าทีอะไรไม่แปลกเลยเราต้องซ้ำไล่เราต้องปัดแรงการเรียบร้อยครับจบแค่ยกแรกครับการบอลลูนขาวยุติการแข่งขันแค่ยกแรกครับ
Dahil sa napaka-impresibong panalo ng ating pambato ay palakpakan talaga ang napakaraming tao. Makalipas ulit ang isang buwan, araw ng Miyerkules, December 28, taong 2022 sa Space Plus, Bangkok, Thailand. Nilabanan naman ni Ador Torres si Messiah Kawisit, ang pinakamatigas na kanilang pambato. Paglalabanan nila rito ang Asia Boxing Federation welterweight title na kampyonato na hawak ng Thai na boksingero. Pero round 4 lang pala ang itatagal ng kampyon sa ating boksingero. Itinigil na dito ng referee ang laban dahil di na kayang lumaban ng Thai na kalaban. At naging bagong kampyon dito ang ating kababayan. Sa pagpasok ng taong 2023, araw ng Huwebes, April 27, nabigyan ulit ng laban ang ating pambato. Dedepensahan niya ang kanyang hawak na titulo sa Space Plus Arena, Bangkok, Thailand. Si Pirapong Puentuwing ay napakalakas na kanya makakalaban. Pero round number 3 lang ang itatagal nito sa ating kababayan.
Getting it. Good body work again. Two-punch body combination from Ador Torres. Trying to loop that left hook, left uppercut to the body in, and he's getting it. Right hook to the body from Ador Torres. Not phased at all. And another knockdown, and that is it. The referee's calling it off in round number 3.
Kampiyon pa rin si Ador Torres sa bansang Thailand at dito na nagsimula ang mga Thai na siya ay katakutan. Araw ng Huwebes, June 29, taong 2023 sa Space Plus, Bangkok, Thailand. Makalipas ang 2 buwan ay muling lumaban si Kabayan. Makakalaban niya ang isa sa pinakamalakas na pambato ng Thailand. Si Sakda Langkabam ay inakalang kayang talunin ang Pilipinong boksingero. Pero round number 2 lang ang itatagal nito sa ating pambato.
Left hand as well, down the right hand. Sakdar still hanging in there. Right hook connects there for Ador Torres. A big right jab. Big hook to the body there, and Sakdar is down. Sakdar is down. He can't count the down fighter. Okay, so and again a right hook to the body, and referee waving it off. So Ador Torres is going to.
Makalipas ang 2 buwan, araw ulit ng Huwebes, September 28, taong 2023 sa Space Plus Arena, Bangkok, Thailand. Napalaban naman si Torres kay Pantawit Soperom na may alias na Dintrit Sitsotong. Pero katulad ng mga naunang Thai na boksingero, round number 2 lang din ang itatagal nito sa ating pambato.
Of the two, Ador's southpaw stance, Tong will be able to capture it and be the new champion. That's just hit the chin. Short, and Ador Torres with a straight punch flurry, and that's going to be the end of round 1. It was normally with the left hand, left hook, and that's what he's doing as Ador Torres slightly straight from Torres as well. So here we go, there's that just touching away and landing with power with the right hook. Left hook to the upstairs and left hook to the body there again. There you go again. Isley just landed some light combinations to Detrit's side. It's Detrit's upper body, and there you go. Detrit's down with a body shot. It doesn't look like he's going to get up. Torres just...
Ngayong taong 2024, araw ng Huwebes, March 28, isa na namang Thai na boksingero ang naghamon sa kanyang trono. Si Wampichit Siripana ay inakala rin na kayang talunin ng ating bida. Pero katulad ng mga nauna, round number 4 lang ang itinagal niya. Dito sa round number 4, suka na ng dugo ang Thai na kalaban. Hindi na niya kinakaya ang bawat kamao na binibitawan ng ating kababayan.
Again, dancing around with that nice jab, flicking out combinations. Adol Torres with a nice combination, and he needs to do something because this referee is looking very closely here. Wampichit now needs to come alive, and the beautiful, and I don't think they're doing enough. Adol Torres now has Wampichit where he wants him. He needs to just keep bullying Wampichit right now, just constantly throwing combinations. It's a rounds. Looking for a reason to now step in, I believe, because Wampichit, although dangerous, isn't doing anything to defend himself against these shots. Do not give the referee a reason, and like I said,
dahil sa matinding pagkalasing ng Thai na kalaban, idineklara ng panalo ang ating kababayan. Nito lang araw ng Huwebes, May 30 taong 2024 ay napalaban ulit si Torres sa Space Plus Arena. Sa pagkakataong ito, isa na sa pinakamalakas na Thai boxer ang iniharap sa kanya. Si Satsada Pitakdantay aka Sing Manasak Gym ay isa daw sa pinakamahalimaw na Thai na boksingero, pero binugbog lang ito ng ating pambato.
He doesn't throw a lot, but he gets the shot through. Jatsada Sing Manasak Gym, representing a legendary gym here in Thailand, likes to go to the body clean. Very nicely done by Adol Torres, and there it is. Oh, and nearly connects with it. He's finding exactly where his opponent is, and he goes alive with that nice combination. That is the bell. It's on time. Think about a bat. When a bat is trying to find their opponent is or where their prey is, and nice right hand downstairs by Adol Torres, and a shovel punch upstairs on Thailand. Adol Torres Adol Torres lands a big stiff left for Lander Leon and set the pace of the fight. Charging with the left hand. Fights before, I've seen him go down and get rocked lit into a fight, definitely hurting as he goes downstairs of a right. Adol Torres just starting to fire off, but he eats a left of sixth and final round. Adol Torres, like a machine gun, fires that combination forward and the left hand downstairs.
Si Adol Torres ay maaaring di mo kilalang boksingero na ating kababayan, pero isa rin siya sa di-kalibring manlalaban na nagbibigay ng karangalan sa ating inang bayan. Katulad niya na nagmula sa hirap at naniwala sa pangarap. Balang araw ay matutupad rin natin ang ating mga pangarap. Basta't samahan lang natin ang dasal sa ating Diyos na dakila sa lahat. Amen.